Hi guys, welcome to Crack Government Job. The biggest question at present in Youth Corporation of India junior aspirants mind is that should we go for typing test, because I am getting low score in CBT according to answer key. Yesterday on 21 March, maximum candidates got email or SMS regarding typing test. JCI called all candidates for typing test, no matter whether they got less than 10 mark or more than 90 mark in CBT. Your typing test date is 27 March. So in this video I try to give you an idea at what CBT score you should appear in typing test, because many candidates in comment section are asking, I am getting 80, 70, 60 or less than 60 mark in CBT, should I appear in typing test? See, for appearing in typing test you have to consider mainly two things: CBT score and typing speed. Recently I did a poll on YouTube regarding candidates typing speed. So you can see here 73% candidates typing speed still less than 40 WPM. So if you think you got more than 85 or 90 mark in CBT but your typing speed is around 30 WPM, then should you go for typing no matter what score you got in CBT. But if you cannot qualify in typing test, then you will not be selected. Here you can see if your typing speed around 30 WPM, no matter what score you got in CBT, I think you may not go for typing. And guys, in comment section mention where you got exam center. If your speed between 30 to 35 WPM, and if you think I can attain 40 WPM speed in these remaining days, then you may go for typing. If your speed between 35 to 40 WPM, then in these remaining days you should try to cross more than 40 WPM speed. And there are many candidates whose typing speed more than 40 WPM, like 50 or 60 WPM, then you should consider your CBT score for typing. Now you see at what CBT score you should go for typing. For you are OBC EWS candidate, I think if you are getting 70 plus score in CBT, then you should go for typing. And for SC ST candidate, if you are getting 65 plus or 75 plus, then you must go for typing. Since JCI gives all candidates the opportunity to appear in typing test, you should not miss this opportunity, because only a few candidates will qualify in typing. So guys, do let me know your thoughts in comment section. We'll see you soon in another video.